Hello everybody, I'm Josh from DC and this is
Jethro from DC.
and we're going to see who can do the best latte art blindfolded. Am I right or am I right, twin? Twin a bone, twin a Monroe, twin a...
Yes.
So, we don't have a blindfold, so I'm just gonna cover his eyes with my hands. No, a little bit to the right, a little bit to the right. No, that's not the right, that's the forward, you idiot.
Wait,
Right there,
to
okay,
the right, okay,
just there,
okay.
and I pour. Now get the pouring. Now get the, okay. No, pour a little bit more. You gotta pour. You haven't poured anything yet. Okay, there we go. No, a little bit more. No.
Nah, wait, trust.
Okay. It's actually looking really good.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! It's a perfect picture. Twin, low-key, I don't think anyone's stopping this.
Yeah, no, my brother is.
I don't know. I gotta like squat down a bit. Okay, Jethro, I need you to guide me. You know that, right?
Come over back. Right there.
Right there. Shut up, Jethro. Because I can feel it. I got the sixth sense. Then I go bang, so, wow.
Okay, you are too much, bro. Too much.
Oh!
Perfect, bro. Perfect.
That hurt a little bit, I think. You know, you gotta tell me when I gotta stop. You know, that's one of the things you have to do. Don't touch me. So, just please let us know who won the video. I burnt my fingers. I don't care about the stupid challenge anymore. Stupid Jethro, why did you do that?